Everyone can appreciate the visual appeal of a good facade design. However, only select few can understand the complexity of engineering solutions behind the design, and fewer still possess the skills to detail robust, compliant, and cost-effective facade while contributing to the desired outlook. Regardless of how far you want to go on the facade engineering journey in your professional career, if your job is related to external envelope, you need a strong foundation. And that's why we have created this course. Applied Facade Engineering is a certified professional development course. It allows you to gain fundamental knowledge in architectural technology, building physics, structural, acoustic and fire safety aspects of external envelope design. In this course, we will only focus on industry-applicable knowledge. In the first module, you will learn about the design principles of compliance, safety, cost, efficiency and comfort, as well as buildability and practicality. These design principles serve as the foundation for all subsequent modules in the course. In the next module, we will delve into most commonly used types of facades. We go through the key principles of rain screen cladding, masonry, precast concrete facades, curtain wall, external wall render systems, sandwich panels, and briefly touch upon less commonly used facade types. We explore how these facade types are installed and how they achieve air and weather tightness. The parts of facade module is divided into walls, windows, doors, balconies, and balustrades. Here we discuss the most common types of these elements, always considering the design principles of compliance, safety, cost, efficiency, and buildability. Moving on, we explore the materials commonly used in facades. We examine how these materials react to fire and discuss safety precautions in case of brittle materials like glass, ceramics, stone, and terracotta. We also address the thermal conductivity, weather permeability and porosity of these materials, as well as methods for prevention of corrosion in metals. The tutorial on glass covers topics related to light and solar radiation. Building upon the knowledge acquired about types and parts of facades and material science, we delve into thermal performance section. In tutorials on U-value and thermal bridging, we explore methods of evaluating thermal performance and strategies for its improvement. We also discuss the risk of condensation and mold growth and how to analyze and mitigate these risks. In the fire safety section, we further expand on the material's reaction to fire. We cover the concept of compartmentation and other considerations related to compliance with building normative documentation. The facade serves not only as a barrier against external sound, but can also act as a bridge for sound transmission between neighboring dwelling units or offices. Additionally, certain parts of the facade can cause noise if not designed or installed properly. The acoustic section of this course addresses external noise, flanking sound, and self-noise. In the structural aspect section, we not only focus on structural integrity, we also explore strategies for accommodating tolerances and building movement under various loads in different facade typologies. This section also covers access for installation and provisions for maintenance of the external envelope. The last section is dedicated to procurement. Here we talk about various procurement routes, stages of design, and the responsibilities of practitioners involved in the facade design. We also touch upon post-completion maintenance strategies. The section concludes with considerations for value engineering. Each course section consists of 3 to 9 video tutorials, followed by a test after each tutorial. To proceed to the next section, students are required to complete a compulsory assignment at the end of the module. This assignment is then followed by a seminar where the results are reviewed and discussed. The course concludes with an exam. Upon successful completion, participants will be issued with an AFE Certificate, which is prerequisite for accessing advanced courses on the platform. The course is packed with hundreds of diagrams and three-dimensional models to ensure the material is easy to comprehend even for an industry outsider. We are very excited about this course, and I look forward to welcoming you in the world of facade engineering by sharing our team's vast knowledge and experience in the field.